Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, today we're going to be talking about reported speech. Oh, before I forget, thank you very much for all the appreciation that you've given on my last videos, and I hope that you'll do the same for this one as well. Okay, so reported speech. When and why do we use reported speech to start with? Any ideas? I'm sure you're giving me lots of ideas. You're giving me answers, all right? And I can tell you that all those answers, they do reach me, okay? I can feel that. All right. What? Okay, all right, okay. Oh, that was just my daughter. She just said that her dad was annoying her. Did you realize what I just did? I guess you did. Well, this is what reported speech is. My daughter said something and I was reporting it to you. That my daughter said her dad was annoying her. Okay? Now, to start with, let me just make a few things clear. Reported speech. We use reported speech when we want to tell what someone else said to us and we want to tell it to the other person. That's when we report. And the two verbs that we use in reported speech are say and tell. There are more, but today we'll be using that. These are the most popular ones, all right? So she said or she told me. That's when we say things using the reporting verbs, all right? Like I said, say and tell. Now, when someone says something to us, so the idea of reported speech is when someone said something to you, that thing already, when you are reporting that to someone, that is already gone in the past, okay? So that is the reason whenever we report something, whichever tense somebody said something to us, we always go one tense back. We always take like a back gear, all right? So if somebody said something to me in present simple, when I will report it to you, I will use my past simple, okay? Someone said, I like ice cream. And you were like, one of my friends said this to me and you did not hear. And you asked me, oh, what did she say? Oh, she said that she liked ice cream. Okay, so that's what is the idea of reported speech. Somebody says something to us and when we report, whichever tense they have used, we go one tense back. Okay, so now I will take you to my board work where I will explain when, which tense, and then you use, let's say, present simple. When you use your reported speech, you go to past simple. If you're using present continuous, it becomes past continuous. If you're using present perfect, that becomes your past perfect, past simple. Ooh, too much, isn't it? No talking. We'll take you to the board now. Come on, let's go. Ta-da! That is our board work now, okay? So, like I said, this is our direct speech, this is our reported speech. Looking at the first sentence over here, I want to ski. This is which tense? This is our present simple. When someone told me I want to ski, and now I'm going to report it. Again, one tense back, present simple becomes your past simple. She told me that, again, that is an option. All right, you want to, it's optional. You want to write that, you can write. If you don't want to write, you can just say, she told me she wanted to ski. All right, I want to ski. She told me she wanted to ski. So present simple becomes our past simple. Easy? Next one. Dad is annoying me, said Rose. All right, so Rose, when someone said, oh, what are you saying? Dad is annoying me. That's what Rose said. So now when I am going to report it, Rose said Dad was annoying her. All right. So this was our present continuous, which becomes past continuous. Next one. I have eaten too much pizza, said May. Oh my God. Too much pizza, never good. Or rather good. Okay. So I have eaten too much pizza. This is which tense? Present perfect. Perfect. All right. I have eaten too much pizza, said May. May said she had eaten too much pizza. So our present perfect becomes our past perfect. All right, that's how. Remember, 1/10 back. So we always go 1/10 back. Now looking at this one, I finished the book, said Mark. I finished the book. He was reading book and he said, I finished the book. This is our past simple. Now pay attention, people. Our present perfect becomes past perfect, and our past simple also becomes our past perfect. So Mark said that he had finished the book. All right. So present perfect also becomes past perfect in reported speech, and past simple also becomes past perfect in your reported speech. So one thing that we all have to remember in reported speech is, since we are reporting something, since we are saying what someone else said, so the idea is that you have to go 1/10 back, because that is gone in the past, what someone said, and you are just reporting. All right, so past simple becomes your past perfect. Similarly, your past perfect continuous doesn't change. All right, so whenever you have your past perfect continuous, there is no change in the tense. Okay, you have to remember that. Whenever we have our will, that becomes would. When you have your must, then that becomes your had to. All right, if someone says, I must go to Spain, and then if you're going to report, oh, what did she say? She said that she had to go to Spain. Okay, don't forget that. Very important. Must becomes your had to. Like I said, past perfect continuous, it doesn't change. All right, what is past perfect continuous? I don't hear it. Louder. Okay, so Mary said it had been raining. All right, in your inverted commas, always remember when we have direct speech, everything is in your quotation mark because you are saying it exactly the way someone said it. So that is the reason we need our inverted commas. For when we report something, we don't use that because we are not saying exactly the way somebody said that. We are taking 1/10 back. So when past perfect continuous, Mary said, oh, it had been raining. But again, when you're going to report, nothing is going to change. All you will do is, Mary said it had been raining. It doesn't change. Okay, so that's about for our reported speech for today. I hope I made my board work well. I hope I made you understand well. Again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to press the bell icon. If I'm not wrong, I'm just new, all right? I'm just remembering, I'm just learning. And guys, do comment if you want me to focus on something in particular. I'd really love that, all right? Thank you very much, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye, take care.